Welcome to Homework Lib.
Given the equation, 0.2 times the cosine of 20 pi t plus 8 for part A, you're asked to find the frequency. Well, the period is equal to 1 over the frequency, and so the frequency would then be equal to 1 over the period. Well, the period of cosine is normally 2 pi, but we have to divide the original period of cosine 2 pi by its horizontal shrink of 1 over 20 pi. So we're divided by 20 pi, and that would be 1/10. So the frequency would be equal to 1 over 1/10, or 10. Meaning there are 10 cycles in one period of cosine. I should say 10 cycles actually in one period, one unit of time. Okay, now for part B, we want to sketch a graph. And by the way, just to finish up A, if the frequency is 10, that would mean it would, ride that wave 10 times in 1 minute. Because the unit of time here is going to be, t is measured in minutes. Okay, for a sketch, let's see. Since it's shifted up 8, our midline would be at 8 meters. Now cosine starts at a maximum. And then minimum back to 0, that would be just one cycle, one period. The amplitude is the 0.2, so this would be 8.2, and this would be 7.8. One period is happening in 1/10, so this would be at 0.1. I'll just put it out on the axis. This would be at 0.05. And these would be at 0.075 and 0.025. And then you could repeat that as needed for your sketch of cosine. The maximum displacement from the bottom of the length would be the x-axis, and that would be 8.2 then, the maximum, 8.2 meters.